Hi guys, what's up with Jimmy again? So do you wanna build the next Facebook, or you wanna build the next Twitter, or you wanna build the next LinkedIn? So you're probably thinking, what should I have to code? Should I have to code in Ruby, or should I have to code in PHP? To be honest with you, if you're gonna code, it will at least take you around 1 year to code something like Facebook. So stop coding and then just buy the solution out there. The solution is PHP Fox. To be honest with you, it costs only $300 for the community license. It includes everything like what your community need, what your Facebook need. To be honest, don't try to copy something similar to Facebook, because Facebook is already famous. Even Google Plus cannot compete with it. You need something like a niche, like a IT niche. Build a Facebook for IT guy, build a Facebook for designer, build a Facebook, basically Facebook for something like engineers, or like a niche. Build some kind of a social media platform for your own niche, so you understand how you get the point. So PHP Fox only costs around $299 for license. So it include everything you need. It include the contact management system, blog, customer profile, everything. Even it, you can upload photos. I mean, your user can upload photo, music, you can do polls, you can upload video, you can do everything. So I don't see any reason why you have to code for 1 year. $300 basically is a coffee money, I will say. Only $300, and you are gonna code for 1 year. It's better you go for a job, you get a job and a code there properly. You're gonna earn more than 60-70 thousand dollars compared to $300 which you are not ready to spend. To be honest with you, PHP Fox is a quite good, it's quite secure platform out there. It's already 100%, the code is not encrypted, and then you can mess around behind. Everything you need to build the next Facebook is a PHP Fox. So I have include the link below. PHP Fox, you can check out what you need. Please don't go for the PHP Fox. There are three plans for PHP Fox. One is a live plan, one is a networking, one is a community. The live plan costs $99, network plan costs $199, and the community plan costs $299. You need a community plan. Most of you guys think cheap is better. No, cheap is not better. A little bit more is more better. I mean, a little bit giving more money is more better. You are gonna buy the light plan, and then you're gonna cry, and then you are gonna go to networking plan. Again, you're gonna cry. It's better you go to the end one, the community plan. So for the light plan, there is no like ad campaign or something like how you can monetize your community. Of course, you're building the community to earn something like money. Of course, you're thinking I'm gonna be the next billionaire out there. Of course not, even I know that. So it don't have a plan for a $99. If you go with the network plan, it has some blogs, you can add some marketplace, but again it does not have all the capability like uploading videos. Go for the PHP Fox $299. It includes everything you need all in a single package. Within 1 week you can set up your community. And the second thing is how you will get the user. The major point is user, how you will market it. Building a next Facebook is not hard. Anybody can do it. A 14 years old kid can do it under his basement. The problem is marketing. How you are gonna market? Are you gonna put a billboard? Are you gonna run an ad campaign? Are you gonna use a Google AdWords? Are you gonna knock on the door on the IT community sector? Hey guys, join my new community. No, you're probably not gonna do this. You're just sitting it, and then you're just hoping some kind of magical miracle happens, or you're trying to work on the SEO. To be honest with you, SEO is the most easy thing you can do, but at the end of the day, nobody gonna come add your community. You need some contact, you need some big fish, you need some big kind of IT guru who become member of it, and then on your community you can say, oh, this IT guru or this IT ninja is using our community, or he just joined it, and then please join our community. After that you can start getting some user. If you are a YouTuber guy like me, you probably already have some kind of guys who are following you. You can suggest them, please join my community. But at the end of the day, is not coding. You always think PHP or Ruby. Should I code in PHP or Ruby? No, don't think about code. Just use PHP folks. Just think how you gonna get the user. And second thing is to remember, whenever you build some kind of like a community like Facebook, you have to remember one thing: you are gonna get a lot of hacker. You are gonna get a lot of the service of denial attack. you need at least 12 hour. Why I'm saying 12 hour? Basically, most guys say PHP Fox only needs 1 hour maintenance. No, you need at least 12 hour a day to dedicate. Whenever they are gonna attack come, your server gonna going down. And to for the building a PHP Fox community like next Facebook, you just need a one dedicated service. Costs only around $99. So I think it's a 16 GB of RAM, and then I think a quad-core processor. You can go to oneandone.com. You can get a server for dedicated server. Don't put on a share crappy server where thousands of websiting are hosting. Do not use a VPS. VPS is good. Do not use any kind of cloud one, because most of the cloud server hosting out there, they are using the VPS. They are using the same crappy old hard drive, 5200 RPM, so they can save some money in the server room. It's better if your server, if your dedicated server has something like Solus state drive like SSD. It will gonna cost you around $120 per month. You have to pay extra $20, but it's worth it. So whenever your user gonna upload anything, I know you need more space, but you need more faster space. You don't need a more crappy space. So you can figure out, more guys. So you want to go with SSD, or you want to just use the hardware on a dedicated service. It's up to you. So properly, you need a dedicated service. 101 is the most cheap server out there. I'm not promoting 101 in any way, but according to my research, no servers can compete 101 in price. The most cheaper server in the world is 101. Go to 101.com. GoDaddy is even expensive. Namecheap even is expensive. And then what is Rackspace is quite expensive. Just go with the 101. So for building the next Facebook, just try to download by the license, $299 for PHP Fox. Play around it, upload on your server, and just try to market the hell out of it. Market how you are gonna get the user to your next Facebook. So build for a niche, not build for everyone. Okay, for today this tech blog. Bye, Anara.